Hi guys, this is Yang and I'm back with just a short update about Agent 301. So I have uploaded a video and step-by-step tutorial sa Agent 301 airdrop. Sa previous video natin, pwede nyo siyang i-check. So Agent 301 is a tap to earn sa Telegram bot at ito yung latest update nila guys. They have just been partnered with BitGet Global. So this is a good news for everyone na nakapag-join sa airdrop dahil for sure once na nag-launch ng tokens yung Agent 301, they will be listed on BitGet. At it's a good thing kasi BitGet has also a lot of users like 2 million, over 2 million. Previously I checked, it's over 2 million pero right now it's more than that. So at they also have, ayan, meron pa silang mga rewards na binibigay or mga points. Ito lang naman yung task sa BitGet. Yan, sign up on BitGet at complete yung profile, then follow. Pero itong task na to guys, andun na yan sa Agent 301 na Telegram bot. I will also include dyan sa description box yung Agent 301 kasi kung wala pa kayong account, pwede kayong mag-start kasi hindi pa naman siya nagsimula. Hindi pa naman nagtatapos yung airdrop niya. So, you can still participate in the airdrop and earn your AP or agent points. Ayan. Doon naman sa mga nakagawa na pwede nyong gawin yung mga tasks ni BitGet para makakuha kayo ng additional 15,000 na points at 2,500 naman para sa pag-follow lang ng BitGet Global account. Yun lang guys, napakadali lang ng update natin ngayon. It's just ang galing ng Agent 301 kasi previously they have an issue na scam daw sa Agent 301 pero right now look at them. They have partnered with one of the biggest exchange or platform sa crypto. Yun lang guys, if you want free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can also subscribe sa channel na to at thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!